Cajun rub. We're going to go ahead and flip this thing over and stuff the breast with a little bit of butter, and then all the nooks and crannies with some rub, and the outside too. Get it all flipped over, and we like to hit our butter with a little bit of rub before we put it in there too. Our slices of butter all covered in rub, and we're going to go ahead and get them down in between the skin and breast in a couple places. And we're also going to get some down here in between the legs on both sides. This adds a lot of flavor and moisture. We're going to get some rubs down in the nooks and crannies. I'm going to put the camera down after this and get it way deep in there. But you can see our butter's already there. And the last step, we're going to get it over the breast here. And there we have it. Spatchcock turkey, all seasoned up, ready for the smoker.